With countless headlines highlighting the rapid rise of artificial intelligence technologies, one company based out of Vancouver, BC, is at the forefront of innovation and creating tangible products powered by AI. Wishpond Technologies, ticker symbol WISH on the Venture Exchange, as you recall, is a provider of marketing-focused online marketing business solutions that help small and medium-sized businesses with their marketing, promotion, and sales conversion needs. And on the back of announcing record results, once again, Wishpond's CEO, Tajskandar, sits down with Cantech Letter to give us an update on the company's recent success. Hi, Ali, how are you?
Good, thank you very much. Good to be here.
Glad to have you back. Artificial intelligence technologies have taken the world by storm. Wishpond recently launched a new AI-powered website builder product. Tell us about the launch and what makes the new product unique, Ali.
Yeah, for sure. So we're very excited about this launch. What is so exciting about this AI-powered website builder is that if you think about it, historically, when a business wants to launch a new website, it is expensive and it is very time-consuming, and you need access to designers and programmers. I'll give you an example. My wife, actually, she runs a software company as well, and she wanted to launch a new website targeting a new vertical for her business. And she was very excited when this came out. And when she tried it, she was blown away. Within seconds, she had a website that looked very, very close to what she wanted. And then not only that, but also she was very excited that it was so easy with our drag and drop editor to make those final edits and last touches and finalize it. Within the same day, she launched a new website. And imagine how easy that is, and how basically like free for her compared to the alternative of paying thousands of dollars and waiting a couple of months and a lot of back and forth with designers and all that. So the reason this is significant is that it democratizes AI and a lot of these inventions for the small businesses that have even fewer resources to help them out with their digital marketing needs.
In addition to this website builder, do you have more plans for AI products or features in the Wishpond platform? How do you see AI products benefiting your customers?
We do. So this year, AI is actually top priority for our product launches. So one of the products that we're working on and in relatively short order will be released is to help small businesses respond to their emails more effectively and with automation and ease. So imagine again that you're reaching out to prospects, for different verticals that you care about through your outbound sales emails, and responses come back. If you're busy running your own business and you're back and forth between, all of the requirements of that work, you might not be able to have enough time responding to these emails effectively. So now this AI-powered, autoresponder will allow you to open your inbox, and it actually has drafted all the responses on your behalf, having learned from your inbox and everything about your product and the way you respond. And then you look at it, 9 out of 10 times it's going to be great. You press send. Other times you edit it and off you go. So that's one of the other AI powered tools that we're working on. But then other ones that you can imagine is automation around building new newsletters. You're not a copywriter, it asks you a couple of questions and then writes a whole newsletter for you, or blogging capabilities, or even personalization, that you come to the website or you receive emails or you receive text messages and they're personalized by AI, knowing who you specifically are and what your preferences are. So it is super powerful. A lot of large businesses are investing a lot of money around AI. What is key here is that small businesses are not able to do that, and we're paving the way in that and bringing these innovations to them who need it the most, actually.
I know Wishpond recently reported its 2022 financial results, Ali. Record revenues up 40% year on year, record adjusted EBITDA up over 1,000% year on year. What's driving this incredible growth, Ali?
Really two things. I mean, earlier in the year, we invested a lot of effort in cash flow management and reducing our expenditure, and we did that quite effectively. We saved about $1 million annualized of costs, And we did that without jeopardizing growth. In fact, actually, some of those initiatives with automation and optimization helped us grow even faster. So on one end, we reduce expenses. On the other end, we've enjoyed strong organic growth that continues to be very strong right now. There's strong demand for our products, all-in-one marketing platform that takes care of everything you need in one platform, one unified view that is cost-effective. Is something that a lot of businesses look for right now. So that's how it's been. Historically, we've had 30 to 40% organic growth, and then some acquisition revenue on top of that. And that is something that is continuing to be the trend. Just about 2 years ago when we went public, our revenue was $7.9 million. Now revenue run rate is $23 million. So, acceleration of revenue growth, as well as making sure that we do that responsibly and make sure that our cash flow is solid is important. So this last quarter, end of the year, our cash, and short-term investments, cash balance was $3 million, up from $2.7 million the quarter before that, and up from the quarter before that as well. And we have access to a line of credit of $6 million from National Bank of Canada that is fully available. We don't have any long-term debt. So we are in a very unique position from that point of view, that we have very exciting initiatives that are helping us grow. We have a strong demand for our products. There are millions of small businesses that benefit from our products, and our cost structure has been managed in a way that we can actually do this profitably without the need to go to the market and raise any money.
Along these same lines, I know you said in your recent conference call that Wishpond has been cash flow positive for 3 straight quarters now. That's pretty impressive in this, macroeconomic climate we're in. Tell us a bit about how you were able to do that.
Thank you very much. It is, I think it is something that we take a lot of pride in. The way we've done it is, the cost-cutting initiatives that we didn't do any layoffs, but we've looked at different areas that we can automate, some of them using AI, actually, for example, lead generation and all of that. We can do a lot of automation. A lot of areas that we felt like, maybe a little bit of waste had developed, we trimmed them down. And we continue to be very cognizant of the fact that we can do more with less, especially in this climate. And on one end, keeping costs under control, on the other end, investing where it actually matters and growing our sales team has been where this gap in terms of profitability has been developing. And this year, we plan to grow the size of our sales team from around 40 salespeople to 70 or 80 by end of the year. So very aggressive growth plans as well. And we expect that as the top line grows and we keep costs under control, profitability would further increase.
So what exactly can we look out for in the future from Wishpond? Are there any catalysts we should keep an eye out for, Ali?
I mean, in addition to some of these really exciting and game-changing product releases and a strong financial performance that we've had and we plan to continue to have, we also plan to now be a little bit more active in terms of M&A, probably to begin with smaller ones. So that would be one to keep an eye on. And as time goes on and our cash flow generation becomes stronger, part of our capital allocation plan is also to increasingly buy back more of our shares, because we believe it is quite undervalued, and it would be a good use of the funds.
Interesting business, a business on the grow. Ali Tajskandar, CEO of Wishpond, WISH on the venture. Thanks so much for updating us, Ali. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Richard.